Te, e,
E.
I. Le, te, le. Le.
L.
L. Next. Tele, e.
G-R-A-I-N. C-A-R. C-E-L-L.
Tele.
E.
E, alright, E. Phone.
F.
Other word, other letters that sounds F. P-H.
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 P. H.
H.
Phone.
O.
Oh. Phone.
N.
N. And vertical line. And there's E, silent E at the last end. There's E. Okay. Now, this one. What's this?
Drum.
Drum. Oh, you're right here. Start here. Again.
R.
R. Then, drum. Drum.
R.
Oh.
L.
Oh. Oh.
O.
Oh. You. It's you. Like umbrella.
U.
Drum.
M.
M. No, that's W.
M.
Okay. Vertical line. You're right. Vertical line. Slant to the right.
Right.
Like, no, slant to the right.
Mama.
Slant to the right.
Mama.
You're right. No. You're right.
Mama.
You're right. Mama is teaching you. Slant to the right. Just like letter N. Slant to the right. Ew. Okay, go. Slant to the right. Come on. Slant to the right. No. Like this, Like this one. You follow Mama. Like,
Mama.
you look at Mama's hand. You look at Mama's hand. No. You hold that. Like this. Then, the other slant to the left. And then, vertical line. So, it should look like this. Vertical, slant to the right, slant to the left, and vertical line. That's M.
R.
R.
E.
E. Very good. What's that?
Tree.
Very good.
Let's go.
What's this?
Baby. Just the spider.